Hi there! So today I'm going to tell you about 6 general tips and tricks for Blender beginners that will help you in your learning journey. So let's get started. And first on our list is using shortcuts. You can find a list of them on Blender's official website. Learning shortcuts will take you from manually going over every panel in search of the thing you need to just pressing a couple of buttons, and of course by doing so you will save lots of time. There are a wide variety of add-ons for Blender that you can make use of. You can find them on Blender Market or just on Google. There are literally hundreds of thousands of add-ons you can find. So go ahead and start using them. And don't forget about the built-in add-ons, like Node Wrangler. This is one of the least helpful tips on this list, but some beginners still underestimate the importance of basics. And this is essential for your progress in any hobby, not just Blender. There are tons of tutorials even here on YouTube. To name a few, there is a legendary 16-part donut tutorial from Blender Guru himself, or full beginner guide on Blender's official channel. Blender time is a big deal, especially when starting out, cause it can ruin the flow of your work. The general rule of thumb is to not go over 4K resolution and 2500 samples. And I would recommend you to start from 128 samples and just multiply it by 2 every time you need to get better resolution. This is a serious topic in and of itself, so if you want, I can make a separate video about it. Blender has a huge community. There are literally thousands of people. You can go on Reddit or Discord or any other social media you like, and don't be afraid to ask questions and reach out to people for help. Just remember to be polite. When you're modeling 3D, it is important to have references. You can use something like PuriRef, basically a simple software you can use to just drag and drop your references, group them together, position them how you like, and scale them. Then hop onto Blender and start working on your new masterpiece. So that's it for part 1. Like, subscribe, bye bye.